speaking to you from Malaysia. Welcome to our Booster AI and BKG group. So let me walk you through about BKG Group. BKG is the advertising marketing arm for Booster AI. And Booster AI is the system provider, plan system service provider to our community, while BKG Group is the marketing arm. So we are rewriting the rules of success together, where tech meets legacy and innovation becomes unstoppable. So everything, what is presented to you, it is basically an idea of people coming together, working together, uh, trusting each other in the system, and the objective is to make our program successful. As of since launch on 5th September, let me just record to the cloud. Okay, as the program was launched successfully on
Recording in progress.
September 5th, it's less than a month. We have more than 1,000 members already. But however, it's sad to see that only 54 people are very seriously attending the meeting. So if next time, if anyone asks you questions, do not answer them. Ask them to go to the Zoom. Ask them if they come to the Zoom, because this is where, if they are serious about their business, they're serious about their life, this is a place they should be right now. So welcome again to Booster AI and BKG Group. Okay. So boosterai.co.uk is a global humanity program. It is one-time contribution, a lifetime membership, and also gives you lifetime income. Okay. So before we go through, let's look at our financial situation at the moment. Uh, what is our financial freedom right now? Have you ever thought of achieving this? Okay, so we are probably in debts. It's like time bomb ticking, and every day we are going through stress to settle our daily life. Um, uh, More to it, it's very difficult to save money with things are certainly increasing in price and so on. So we do not have a steady flow of income. So have you thought of achieving this? This is very serious. So in life, if we are thinking about having financial freedom, and then we should be thinking about it very seriously, and this should be your ultimate goal. Because as of now, we look around us, the financial problem is a serious crisis, in fact, and it will lead to mental health. So this is what happening right where in this globe, where people are not certainly not united, people who are financially free, so they have all the power to do whatever they want, and people who do not have enough money with them go through crisis. So financial problem indeed causes mental health. It starts from stress and goes on to everything else. So this is something that we seriously have to look into. It's not because we want to, but we have to prepare ourselves for any situation that will arise in future. All right. So boosterai.co.uk has been built with one intention, is to grow your money, to grow income for you. Either you are involved on a part-time basis or you are a full-time networker, then it is indeed a very good system which has been put together by Booster AI. So what is the system? The fastest global 2 times 1 metric autofill system. All right. So here we help each other. We come together to help each other, to to hold each other's hand and spread love, and everybody's life matters. So here, what we say, you earn through your effort, and you also earn through other members' effort. As you see, we have been posting in the group all our activities. Some people are actually camera shy, so not much of activities has been put into the system. But however, people are working silently around the globe. We already have about 10 to 11 countries, members from 10 to 11 countries who are really they're working very hard. So here, the objective here is to, our main objective is to make Booster AI program success. It is not easy. It cannot be done by one person. It needs the support of the community members. We are trying to do our best. BKG on the other side have been coming out with many tools to support your journey in boosterai.co.uk. We have our Telegram group. We have our WhatsApp group. We also have our YouTube channel where we really urge members to join our Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and also our YouTube channel, where we constantly post new videos, new tools to support you build your business. So every venture has challenges. Okay, giving up is not the option. Okay, we are working very hard to make sure that this community will indeed be successful and become the world best program ever. And every member will benefit from this program. So that is our objective. Right. So now, when we talk about cryptocurrency at large, of course, I hear many stories about Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, Ethereum that. And those are stories, sad stories that we often hear, that many stories people say that, oh, okay, I had this opportunity in Bitcoin, but I do not have that. Do not have that. Okay, please do not raise your hand because your question session will come later. All right. So all these sad stories is already history, is already been passed. So right now we are here. Okay. So when we are talking about cryptocurrency, the number one thing is that setting up and understanding the wallet. So many of us, as I see, many people are still unaware. They do not know how to create wallet. They don't even know what is wallet, how to set up and wallet. They don't know how to. They don't know how to what uh, we call to buy, to sell, to transfer, even swap. So if somebody asking you, talking about their past experience in Bitcoin or in crypto market, always you ask them if they even have a wallet. So many people do not have wallet. There are hundreds of wallets available. We can just set it up. We can just download it for free, and we can actually buy, sell, and transfer or swap. And we must understand the whole process because we are in the blockchain technology. So many of you are here just as an investor. You just become a member, that's it. And you do not understand at all what is it all about. So it is very important for you to understand how to set up and also understand the wallet system and different currencies which is available in each and every wallet. So you must also know what kind of network. Are you in BEP20, BEP20? Are you in TRC, Tron Chain? So are you in Polygon? Are you in Arbitrum? So that is where you learn. So these are the basic things that you should know in cryptocurrency. So of course, I know right now in the market we have crypto card already. There are hundreds and thousands of crypto card already available where you can actually transfer the USDT to crypto card, and then you can exchange to fiat money if that is what you want. You can also use all your earnings, the USDT earnings, for you to spend, for you to withdraw, and so on. So the knowledge is power. What gives you power today is the knowledge. When you are talking to somebody, when you are explaining about blockchain, about cryptocurrency, it is very important to have some kind of knowledge, and you must learn. There are many ways that you can learn through Google, through YouTube channel. Every question that you ask, it will be answered. It is just that you are not taking initiative and always relying on somebody to do it for you. So until you become independent, you cannot be successful. So you should know how to do, because this is your system, this is your business, this is your life. If you are very serious about being financially free, and if you are very serious about growing in your life, then knowledge is power. So why Booster AI? Okay, once you have the knowledge, then you will understand what is Booster AI is all about. When we are saying that is Web 3.0 decentralized, and you do not understand what is Web 3.0, you do not understand the word decentralized. So if somebody telling you this is scam, you listen to someone who do not have the knowledge. Only when you have knowledge, you will be able to control a conversation. You can control someone, rather than just surrendering to whatever accusation that people are throwing at you. So why Booster AI is Web 3.0 decentralized? Please scroll. Please Google what is 3.0 decentralized. What is Web 1.0? What is Web 2.0? Because cryptocurrency is already 15 years old. This is not something new, but many of you are unaware of the crypto market, the crypto system, the blockchain system itself. So smart contract, when we say smart contract, we say there is no owner. No owner. When you say you already have a smart contract, and then the secret key has been thrown, so there is no owner, therefore no manipulation of the system. Only if you understand smart contract, then you will be able to understand. So ask ChatGPT, ask Google Copilot, ask any AI, and they will actually teach you. Learning is very important. Do not focus on money. Focus on knowledge first. Focus on education first. Focus on the work that you have to do, then the money will actually roll in. When I meet people, it is so easy for me to get people on board, because they see that, they hear, I know about cryptocurrency, I know about blockchain, I know about smart contract, I know about Web 3.0 decentralized. Therefore, you are able to control someone to your way of thinking. So this is scam proof. If somebody is telling you, okay, this is scam, I have been in scam, then you do not understand what is smart contract. Then you do not understand what is 3.0 decentralized. So if somebody is calling you a scammer, saying this program is scam, and then you succumb to their way of talking because you do not have knowledge. So we are in immutable arbitrum blockchain. What is immutable arbitrum blockchain? $1,100 to 4,600, 4,700. So we are in Arbitrum blockchain. What is Arbitrum? Arbitrum is the gas fee for Ethereum related transactions. It is like a toll gate that you have to pay in every highway when you cross the highway. So every transaction, yes, you have to use Arbitrum as your gas fee, Ethereum Arbitrum. Through our AI technology, you can see that what you are paying for every transaction is only 0.000, almost 50 in front. That means you are paying a very, very little amount of gas fee when you are doing transaction with Booster AI. So it is purely members teamwork, your teamwork. If you think that your life is important, if you think this community is important, then we want to see some kind of seriousness in you. I just don't want somebody to be a passenger. We can always find passenger. So instead of being a passenger, you have to become the leader. You have to show, you have to post in the group, you have to entice people, you have to be involved, you have to be engaged, you have to show people that you are earning. Because in this system, we can prove that if you know smart contract, you can check online, okay, through Etherscan, that every second somebody is getting paid around the world through Booster AI. If you're not receiving now, it doesn't mean that someone is not receiving. You must understand the system. What is 2 times 1 global first in, first out system? So every second, the system is paying somebody globally. We are global members. So every activities that you are doing, benefiting and helping the members very much. So if somebody is entering our Zoom, our group, WhatsApp, then you welcome them. If somebody walk into your house, wouldn't you welcome them? So in this business, okay, consider this as business, consider this as your life. So your action is very much required. We might have 200, 300 people in our group, but that one who acknowledge the newcomers, who welcome the new knowledge, only a few. But now you are looking for success. When we are looking for success, we are looking at a system where we have to come together and we have to enhance people. So some people will see the money when they look at the plan, when they see a system. This is what we call leaders. Okay, people who see a plan and they know, okay, I can make a lots of money. There are also people who will only believe when they start as receiving money themselves. Okay, now what happens is this: everybody is just sitting back, laying back, and nobody is moving the system. So how do you expect to get paid? This is not an investment scheme. Please understand. It is not about you putting money and then the money will drop from the sky and you will be able to make money. This is purely a working plan. Must understand, if you want money immediately, you go out there and talk to somebody and you will get 100% of that entrance fee to yourself. So understand the system. It is not an investment scheme. So this has been created for public wealth. Understand, each and every word has been uttered to you. It is like you going for an examination. This is a life of examination where you have to read and you have to understand. This system has been created for public wealth. This is not for one single person. This is not for someone who came in the early stage and those people who come in late lose money. Everybody should make money. So it has been created for public wealth. Public means the masses. We are talking about the masses. We are not talking about a single person. It is not about me. It is not about you. It is about us. Okay, each and every one, we are struggling in life. Financially, we are struggling. So how can we support each other? That is what must come into our mind. Okay, so we do have digital products. Okay, we are legit program. We have digital products. What are our products? We have business card. Literally, the products are not in yet as it is still under construction. So you will be given business card and okay, you will have a basic USDT wallet and so on. And later we will have pro business card, and then we have post and interact system, like how we are interacting. We can also interact through our dashboard. And these are the some of the features of our digital products. Okay, so wait for it. Now, we are constantly, BKG is constantly coming up with some innovative ideas, innovative strategies to give you fast income, to give you fast money. Whatever said and done, I know the bottom line is about making money. So since we just roll out, we are still baby. You have to be patient. Nothing, Rome is not built in a single day. Today, people might not understand. They might leave us. It's okay if they leave us. The membership is lifetime membership. They will always come back to us because there are a lot of scams outside. You have tried it. I have tried it. We have gone through it. I do not believe in any investment programs. I do not believe in all these crypto programs which give you cryptos, and they are hyping us saying that we will have the crypto price will go up. In the end, it become rug pull. You and I will lose money. We will lose our face value. So say no to all those investment programs, because none of the investment programs, as we look back at the history, none have survived the turbulence of the market. No one can fulfill whatever has been promised to you. So say no to any kind of investment. Okay, we have to work to earn. That is no two way about it. We have to work to earn. So with that, we are actually launching, giving you good news coming soon. So there are grocers in the market. They always saying, okay, how can I encash my USDT? Okay, it's all about registering new member. It's all about P2P. Don't worry, BKG now, we are taking initiative to grade can just go to any ATM worldwide, and you can withdraw cash to your local currency. So if you're having our crypto debit card, then over more than 100 countries, India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Philippines, uh, whichever country, 100 countries, more than 100 countries, you can go to the respective country's ATM, bank, and you may encash using the ATM withdrawal. Isn't that a good news? Okay, we are not only launching the card, it is been designed, it has been under preparation. Thank you to BKG, the biggest community group. BKG will be biggest community group. All right. Later we will come. Banking group. B become bank. Why not? Of activities coming up. There are a lot of strategies which is coming up. So our intention, filterish, our intention is to make you earn at least a 5,000 USDT, at least a minimum of 3,000 USDT as a monthly income. That is what our objective is all about. So when we are rolling out, we are also rolling out a new plan, lucrative pay plan, through our BKG debit. Your team, what you can do is that, okay, it's going to be lucrative pay plan. It is going to be revolving binary. And you know, this is the only card in the world which will be having a binary system with a revolving binary. Revolving binary means you're going to make money again and again and again from your people that come under your organization. Whoever take this lightly, not being serious, I am sorry. I am sorry. You are not. You don't know what you are doing. You don't know where you are going. So keep building your team. It is very, very important when we roll out this. You need not look for new members. The existing members will participate, I'm sure, because this everybody need the card. So it will be a revolving binary, and you will be making at least a minimum of 300 USDT per day. That is a kind of income that we are looking with our debit card system. Hooray!